Good morning, everyone. Happy Wednesday. Today we will be learning about the water cycle. Have you ever wondered what makes rain? Let's explore and find out. So we have our sun and it beats down on the earth. This causes water to rise up in the air and make a gas. This is called evaporation. Then the evaporation forms tiny water droplets in the sky that grow and grow and grow and get bigger and bigger and form clouds. So as they grow, they bump into each other. They keep growing and growing and growing until the cloud can't hold it anymore. This is called condensation. Then, when the cloud can't hold it, it rains down on the earth. This is called precipitation. So we have the water coming up. That's evaporation, and then it turns into clouds. That's condensation, and then it rains down, and that's precipitation. And it happens over and over and over, and that's what makes rain. Now, it's time to make our own rain in a jar. So what you will need is a jar 3/4 of the way full of water, another cup that you're going to fill with food coloring, any color of your choice, a dropper or straw, and then shaving cream. So what you want to do is take your jar and fill the rest away with shaving cream. This will be your cloud. Next, you're going to take your dropper and fill it with food coloring. And you're going to drop it into your cloud until it begins to rain. We're going to keep going until it rains. So our cloud is starting to get heavy now. We're going to start seeing some precipitation. So now it's starting to rain. Starting to get heavier. It's starting to rain. Soon, our cloud won't be able to hold anymore. And that is how you make rain in a jar. Thanks for learning with me. Bye.